It looks very easy, but it isn't. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome back to my channel. So before starting this video, I want to say a big thank you for 300 subscribers. I'm very thankful for each and everyone who subscribed to my channel and keeps watching my videos and supporting my channel. So moving on with the videos, today I am going to do something very different on my channel that I have never done on this channel. Now few years back I used to do a lot of canvas painting, but now due to my college work and all, I don't get time. So today I thought, why not do a canvas. We are going to do a technique called the fluid art technique, in which basically you pour the colors onto the canvas and then move the canvas in such a way that it creates art and the colors look like it's literally moving like fluid. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So roll the clip 2 days back. So this is by far the biggest canvas that I have bought, and I'm trying to do a technique that I have never done before. So let's see how this goes. So this is a mixture of water plus glue. I'm going to mix it, and this is going to go inside the acrylic paint and will make the acrylic paint a lot thinner. The next step is to pour all the colors in this plastic cups, and on inside that I'm going to add my DIY thinner, and yeah, let's do it. From the present. So as you saw me doing the fluid art technique, it looks very easy, but it isn't. Trust me, it's very difficult. It's even difficult than doing it with the hand. This is what I think. So there were situations when my colors were mixing with other colors and it was a total disaster. Like, it was not looking good. I wanted it to look in a certain way and it is not what I picturized it to look like. Since it was kind of difficult for me to do it, what I did is that I took plastic, which was the plastic I used from the canvas, and dabbed it onto the paint. This is something I saw in a YouTube video as well, like an artist was doing it to blend his colors as well, and this literally saved my art. It worked good for me. So for doing the whole canvas, it took me around 3 hours. Like, literally I was doing it all over again, and the colors were mixing, then I was doing it again. It took me 3 hours to complete such a big canvas, but I'm pretty sure if you do it on a small canvas, it won't take that much time. And for the drying process, it also took 2 days. Since the canvas was very huge, it took 2 days. So this is the canvas that I painted. It is so huge that it does not even fit into my frame. I'll give you a better view. my canvas turned out to be. I pretty much liked how it looks right now. I know it's not exactly like the fluid art painting that I was going for. The colors and all, they are not blended as it was blended before. Like, I did it once again. I did not give up on this painting because I wanted it to work, and it did. So that was it for the video. I really hope that you enjoyed. I had really a lot of fun in painting this canvas, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.